Hello all. I'm Mahesh, and I am actually sorry for the video quality around me. So today, this video is all about the credit risk data analysis in PowerBI. But before starting this presentation, I would like to hide my video device so that you can actually enjoy. Actually, you can fully view the presentation without any hurdles. So I hope you are able to see everyone. So my name is C Mahesh, and then today I'm thrilled to present my analysis for this CloudML assignment. Before we begin, let me share a quick point about CloudML. It's a fantastic platform for hands-on learning and building real-world skills in data analytics and machine learning. The assignment I'll present today is a testament assessment to their practical job-oriented approach. Let's dive into the credit risk data analysis, where we aim to uncover actionable insights for improving loan performance and reducing risk. So, let's start with the objective of this analysis. Our goal is to analyze credit risk data to identify patterns affecting loan performance. We aim to uncover factors contributing to defaults and provide strategic insights to optimize risk management. The findings are tailored for business decision makers, ensuring they are clear, concise, and actionable. Now that we understand the objective, let's move on to the methodology. Here's a brief overview of the methodology I followed. This is I so what are all the methodology I've used? I've been listed down here. So the data exploration, I begin my understanding key variables like loan grades, employment length, and loan intent. And then the second is analysis technique. Advanced segmentation and ratio analysis were applied, and interactive dashboards were built using Power BI. So that the next comes the insights and recommendation by using visualization. The focus was on the presenting findings that add values to risk management strategies. With the methodology covered, let's explore the key insights from the data, starting with the loan grades. So, this is insight one: loan grades and default rates. Loan grades as a lowest, sorry, the finding is loan grade A has the lowest default rate, around approximately 10 percentage, indicating a low risk. On the other hand, loan grade E, F, and G have the default rates exceeding 60%, highlighting their high risk nature. So, what should we impact in this? What should we impact in this? What should we deal with? What should we do? What's the recommendation? It's like a impact is like a recommendation. So the point is businesses shows revise credit policies for high risk grades. Then, for low risk customers, incentivizing retention through attractive terms could be beneficial. You could see the column chart from A to G. The findings existing with 60%. So these are my findings and key impacts. Now let's move on to the employment length and home ownership analysis. Key insight two is employment length and home ownership impact. So the finding is borrowers with less than 2 years of employment and renting has the highest default rate, which is 35.86 percentage, indicating a very high risk. In contrast, homeowners with 10 to 20 years of employment shows the lowest default rates, which is just 1.94 percentage. Renters consistently exhibits higher default rates across all employment claims. So what should we impact is tightened lending policies for renters with short employment tenure. So we should tighten the lending policies for the renters with short employment tenure, and we should develop targeted loan offers for homeowners with stable employment. So here I have used a heat map view. This is a simple in Power BI used with a matrix table by row as employee length and columns with the home ownership category. And then I have used a conditional formatting to achieve this heat map. So next, let's look at the analysis of loan intents and risk metrics. The loan in the so the final loans have the highest loan to income ratio, which is 17.52 percentage, indicating financial strain. So the next is debt consolidation and ventured loans are also moderately risk. It is just it is around approximately 17.08 percentage overall. Then the final is home improvement loans have the lowest loan to income ratio, showing lower risk. So the impact, what should be impact? What should be impact? What the findings we got and what we are going to impact is focus on high risk loan intents like medical loans by revising approval criteria or introducing a stricter terms. Offer tailored repayment plans to align with borrower products for lower risk intents like home improvement to increase profitability with reduced risk. Finally, let's explore the time series analysis. Borrowers with shorter credit histories like 2 to 3 years have default rates around 23%, highlighting higher risk. Default rates decline for credit histories up to 16 to 18 years, but rise again for 19 plus years with anomalies. So what should we impact is introduce monitoring system for borrowers with shorter credit histories. Investigate anomalies in longer credit histories and adapt risk management strategies. So use a credit risk as a significant factor in predictive models for easy default detection and developing a proactive monitoring system for borrowers with shorter credit histories, and we have to adapt risk management strategies accordingly for the 19 plus years over time series. So now let's review the overall dashboard. This dashboard consolidates all key reports, including loan intent analysis, default rates, and credit history trends. It provides interactive visuals, allowing stakeholders to explore insights and patterns effectively. There is also filters for the home ownership, and also there is a for a time series analysis. We can make it. Um, well, the dashboard is interactive, and I will show you finally about the working of dashboard and also some other features like row level security and publishing the document Power BI document to the Power BI service. So the those things I will be concluding at the end. Now let's finally conclude, give a conclusion for this analysis. So the loan grades, higher grades E, F, G are significantly riskier. So we should be keep it in our mind that higher grades are E, F, G. So employment length, shorter tenure correlate with the higher defaults. Then loan intent. Medical loans possess the greatest risk due to the financial strain. Then the credit history. Both short and excessively long credit history show elevated risk. So the interest rates. So the default trends. So here we don't have a geographical insight as there is no certain regions. So if there is a region there, we could conclude with some higher concentration for the defaults. Risk scoring is also revealed using advanced tax calculation, risk stratification across different borrower profiles. The loan grades, we have concluded with the loan grades, employment length, home ownership, loan intent, interest rate, credit history length, default trends, geographical insights, and risk scoring, and and we have been concluded with the dashboard efficiency, which we have seen recent just before now. The Power BI dashboard effectively captures some key insights for the quick decision making. So this data is done in a Power BI, and you can see that how efficient the Power BI has given us a visually appealing dashboards and visually appealing easy charts that can be visually seen by all and can take in the insights. So, what are all the recommendations? So, we have to do a targeted lending policies. So, we have to restrict loans for high risk grades. Then the second is credit policy refinement, tighten approval for short tenure renters. Then we have predictive models, leverage risk scoring to flag potential defaulters early. Then stakeholder communication comes here. Use simplified reports to convey key findings. These are my some recommendation from the insight we have been taken from the data. So targeting the lending policies, credit policy refinement, customer segmentations, loan intent analysis, interest rate simulation, predictive models, history trending monitoring, enhanced reporting, stakeholder communication, proactive risk measures. So these are my some of the recommendation that can be implemented in this. So finally, I'd like to thank you for your attention. Thank you all for your time and attention. I hope this presentation provided you a valuable insight into credit risk analysis and its application for effective risk management. And will after this video will be uploaded to the YouTube and the link will be here and then this report will be submitted to community. So here I have given a detailed explanation of question based analysis checkout. So what this is, just have to copy and then paste the power. Maybe so. So this is a previous thing I have done. This is my previous video. Here I have already uploaded. In this video, you can see a question-wise analysis. For instance, DAX calculation of financial metrics. I have done all the calculations over here. I have given all the calculations over here. How did I do it? How did I make it? Everything is here. For question-wise, what are the calculations, what calculation, how did I imply it, how did I DAX, how did I imply it in the DAX functions, how did I do some stuff, everything has been inch by inch it's given in this video for a clear see. Here it is a overall view for an advanced DAX functions I have been used in for this analysis. The thing is this video has no audio, that's why I've been complicating these things. So this is the row level security. So view as roles, how we can view as role, view role is, see, I have already, just a minute. See, when we put, we can manage roles, we can add roles and manage roles. If this is the concept, if you are the grade A or if you are a grade B, if you as grade A, only the detail of grade A will be seen. If I click this view roles, only the grade A value will be seen. This is a security level analysis I have been implemented by view analysis and these things. I have put a manage role and I have done something. So that procedure is also mentioned in this video in step-by manner. And finally, about the dashboard publications, I also see I have published the dashboard in the Power BI desktop. So I could also you could I could also show you. See, this is a Power BI desktop. Here you can see this. I set it this next page, current page. See, this is my home, and here we can see the credit tricks which is uploaded over here. So that's what. So whenever I click, the values have been changed as per my wish. So for the different time period, 0 to 12 years, 21 to 30 years. So everything is interactive keyboard dashboards. That is also performing here. Now dashboard 1, 2, and 3. I have clicked a lot of dashboards, and I have given you a simple insights over here. I have given over here. So this is my thing. So thank you. Thank you once again, Claudia Mal. Thank you for this greater opportunity. Thank you.